So you have probably heard the news. Zorin OS has released a new version and the distribution no longer includes Firefox as the default web browser in new installations. While existing installations still have Firefox, users will have to decide whether to keep it or not. This raises the question of whether other Linux-based operating systems will follow suit. It was clear that something was brewing behind the scenes even before the Zorin team made their public announcement. Users with existing installations had received updates, and the System Settings app indicated that they were now on Zorin OS 17.3. However, there was no blog post about the new version on their website, which had been the norm in the past. This sparked a discussion on their forum. Meanwhile, the previous version 17.2 was still available on their download page. Soon after, the new version was released, bringing with it significant changes. From now on, the default web browser in Zorin OS is Brave. The Zorin team explained that they made this change because, in light of Mozilla's recent policy updates, they no longer felt confident that Firefox aligned with their commitment to protecting users' privacy. This decision clearly refers to Mozilla's recent introduction of terms of use, which sparked outrage among parts of the community. Many claim that these terms of service allow Mozilla to sell users' data or use it for AI training. As a result, the Zorin team opted for Brave, another free and open-source web browser based on Chromium. What's more, this isn't just a standard version of Brave, it's a modified version that the Zorin team has tailored by hiding some of the browser's features. They have removed features like Brave Wallet, Brave Rewards, Leo AI, Brave Talk, Brave News, and Brave's sponsored background images. For comparison, here's how the regular installation of the browser looks outside of Zorin OS. In the new installation of Zorin, users will find Brave well integrated into the operating system's environment, complete with a matching user interface. Even in the new Zorin installations, it's easy to get Firefox. It's available through Zorin's software app as a Flatpak application. As mentioned earlier, existing Zorin builds still have Firefox intact, as the major system upgrade to version 17.3 did not remove the browser or force users to switch to Brave. Additionally, the existing builds provide the option to install Zorin's version of Brave via the software app. So, Zorin OS has officially ditched Firefox. Some Linux-based operating systems, like Firefox OS and Manjaro Cinnamon Community Edition, have already chosen other web browsers as their defaults. This move by the Zorin team raises the question of whether others will follow suit. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.